This is Ride News Now. I'm Alison Haislip. Today we're chatting about Hummer's comeback, Land Rover's stunning new infotainment system, and Fiat Chrysler helping you buy an EV. Now here's the latest in all things mobility.
This episode of Ride News Now is brought to you by the new HUMMER Spark. Upgrade your current ride with in-car Wi-Fi, virtual diagnostics, and so much more. To activate yours exclusively with AT&T, visit the link in the description.
Now, y'all are not going to believe this one. Hummer, yes, that Hummer, is poised for a comeback by late 2021, and this time they're doing something absolutely no one expected: going electric. I know, it seems like everyone has an EV truck in the works these days, from legacy car manufacturers to spunky tech startups. But this time, it's different. You see, Humvee had legit badass military roots and earned a bad boy reputation for their gas-guzzling civilian trucks because they basically flipped the bird to the environment. But that's thankfully out of style now, so Hummer, the road-going version of the military brand, is going green, and they have an opportunity to redeem themselves with the general public. Hummer is actually a great name for an electric truck because electric motors hum. Ha! You see what they did there? Yeah. And GM will be kicking off their first campaign using none other than LeBron James in a series of Super Bowl ads. Hey, we like where you're going, Hummer. Go big or go home. While we're talking trucks, let's point our attention to the new, old-school Land Rover Defender for a minute. Nope, the new Landy isn't going electric like Hummer, at least not yet, but the venerable off-roader is making some serious strides into the land of tech, starting with a next-gen infotainment system by BlackBerry QNX that fires up instantly with no waiting. I mean, the indignity of waiting a full 8 seconds was really killing us, wasn't it? But seriously, people, curing that little annoyance is nothing compared to the cerebral fitness of the Defender's onboard processors. The system will feature two 4G telecommunications systems by Snapdragon, enabling simultaneous over-the-air updates that don't interrupt in-car audio and video streaming services. Wowzers. Land Rover has come a long way from the drafty, leaky Defenders of yore that could barely get out of their own way. Now that the Defender will be the world's first vehicle with twin SIM card-equipped modems, it seems like anything is possible. Man, love living in the future. Fiat Chrysler has partnered with Amazon.com to streamline the purchase and installation process for at-home EV charging stations. The new mini site allows customers to compare different home charging stations and provides a clearer understanding of the costs involved with each. Then, once you've decided which one you want, Amazon will deliver your new charging unit and contract a local electrician to facilitate the installation with a single click. The partnership may seem odd, as FCA's only electrified offering is the Pacifica plug-in hybrid van. They're gearing up, though, because as many as 30 electrified FCA nameplates are slated to hit the market in the next 2 years. So they are streamlining the process of at-home charging before they roll out their new electrified fleet. Smart move, guys. Jeep's leading the charge with their newly announced 4xe plug-in hybrid versions of their Wrangler, Compass, and Renegade. If this plug-in plan is going to work to FCA's advantage, it needs to connect with consumers and help them through the transition process. And if this can help convert some EV skeptics too, we are all for it. For more tech news, join us over at Ride.Tech and be sure to follow RideTechNews on your social platform of choice. And Fiat Chrysler's helping you buy an EV. Now here's the latest in all things mobility. I said that wrong. I made Fiat Chrysler's. I shouldn't have said it that way. The new mini site allows customers to compare different home charging stations and provides a clearer understanding of what the costs involved with each. No, of the cost. I added a word. I added a word.
This episode of Ride News Now is brought to you by the new HUMMER Spark. Upgrade your current ride with in-car Wi-Fi, virtual diagnostics, and so much more. To activate yours exclusively with AT&T, visit the link in the description.
Thanks for watching. If you like what you see, please like and subscribe. Also, head to ride.tech for stories, reviews, and more news.